Good morning students. Welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to start the new chapter in our English grammar, that is articles a and the. Where do we use a and or the? Okay. We'll go through the chapter. We'll read about the uses where to use them. Okay. So let's start. First of all, what is article? There are three articles in English, that is a and the. They are used before nouns or noun equivalents and a type of adjective. Okay, these are type of adjectives. Definite article is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of noun is known to the reader. That is, we know the identity of the noun. We will check out when we go through the uses. Okay, that will be more appropriate to go through the examples and uses of these three articles. Moving on to uses of articles, we'll start with uses of a. Okay. A is used before words, abbreviations, acronyms or letters that begin with a consonant sound regardless of the spelling. Any word that starts with the sound of consonants and vowels. You know vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So regardless the spelling, the sound of consonants are the alphabets. All the alphabets except A, E, I, O, U. Okay, the sound of the alphabets, regardless of the spelling, we use A, like a dog, a fish, a university, a utopia. These are some examples. You may get confused in abbreviations. Abbreviations are the short forms, like if you say MBA, Masters of Business Applications. So that MBA is an abbreviation. If we use PM, we know we are talking about the Prime Minister. PM is the abbreviation. Okay, students. Now the important part is the sound of the word. Listen carefully. I said dog, a fish, a university, a utopia. Okay, these depend on the sound. It doesn't matter. You got you here and here also. They are vowels. The word is starting with the vowel, but it doesn't depend on the starting of the word. It depends on the sound we use. Okay, a university, okay, university. It's not the sound of vowel. Okay, a utopia. It's not utopia. It's utopia. Because it is utopia, it is a. Okay. Now moving on to the next thing. Uses of n. There is very little difference between a and n. Like for a, we watch out the sound of consonant, and for n, we watch out the sound of vowels. Okay, we watch out the sound of vowels. N is used before words, abbreviations, acronyms, or letters that begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sound regardless of their spelling. An idiot, an element, an honor, an heirloom. Okay. Now, what's this? An idiot. E, the sound of E. An element, sound of A, element. Sound. An honor. Well, it is starting with a consonant, but the sound is O. An honor. An heirloom. Heirloom. A is a vowel. Okay, an heirloom. The rule only becomes tricky when you have a vowel with a consonant sound or a consonant with a vowel sound. That means you just need to read the word, and if you got the sound of vowel, you need to write down N. And if you are not getting the sound of vowel, you are getting the sound of consonant, just simply write down A. Got it? Now, like a university. University. A utopia. Utopia. An honor. An honor. Okay. So there is the difference between the speaking of the words. Okay. The sound of the words. When you come across these, ignore what the first letter is. Just go through what the sound is actually. If the sound is about the vowel, write down N. And if it is about the consonant, write down A. Now, uses of the. We use the with something already mentioned. with there is just when there is just one of something, that is the thing is unique. Like we have only one sun, so we use the sun. The sun is very bright today. Okay, something already mentioned. I took a walk in the forest. Okay, the forest. Now, forest is, we all know forest. Forest, what is a forest? Lots of flora and fauna are there. Flora, plants, trees, flowers, and fauna, all the type of wildlife. Okay, so we know what is a forest. I took a walk in the forest. There is only one forest where you live. Okay, when you define a specific person, object, or place. Now, I love the book my dad gave me for my birthday. The book, it is talked about that particular book, okay? Not just any book, but specifically the book that your dad gave you on your birthday. With things that are unique, that is only one. The sun, the president of the US, the CEO of Apple. Could you tell me the CEO of Apple? A lot of students are very amazed about looking to the Apple company. So maybe you may know the CEO of Apple. Apple right now is Tim Cook, and the first ever, the actual starter, actual owner of Apple company was Steve Jobs. Now moving on to further. Now moving on to the next thing, with ordinal numbers or superlatives. The first, the second, the third. Okay, the first player to reach to score 4 centuries in one tournament in IPL. The name is Virat Kohli. Okay, I used the first. Okay, for ordinal numbers. The biggest, the best, the fastest. The fastest bowler ever in cricket is Shoaib Akhtar. He clocked the speed of 160 km per hour. The fastest. Superlatively, I used the. Okay. With some proper nouns, for example, rivers, the Nile, mountain ranges, the Rockies, the Alps, oceans, the Pacific Ocean. Okay. For with some proper nouns, we use rivers. Actually, we know Nile is one. The Nile, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Amazon River. Okay. Mountain ranges, the Rockies, the Alps, the Mount Everest, the Kaziranga, the Kanchenjunga. Okay. Oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean. These are oceans. These are specific ones. Groups of islands or countries with plural, the Hawaiian Islands, the subcontinent. You may think about what is a subcontinent. This is a group of countries in Asian continent, that is India, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China. These are not China, but these are considered as the subcontinent. Okay. Moving on to the zero article. Several kinds of nouns never use articles. We do not use articles with the names of languages. He was learning Chinese. That is, we don't use articles with certain nouns. Like there is an example, he was learning Chinese. Chinese is a language, or you can say Mandarin also. Actually, Chinese language is Mandarin. Okay. But when the word Chinese refers to the people, the definite article might come into play. When we are talking about the people of China, then we say the Chinese people. Okay. Now, when we talk about India, the Indian people. Okay. Uncountable nouns and sometimes plural countable nouns are used without articles, like we like coffee with our dinner. Okay. We adore Sufi music. We use roses for many purposes. But if an of phrase comes after the noun, we use an article. We adore the music of the Sufis. If we are using of with the noun, we need to use an article, that is the. Okay. We love the music of Sufis, and there we read we adore Sufi music. We like Sufi music. Here we read we what is that? We adore the music of the Sufis. Okay, that is the difference you can find out. We adore Sufi music. We adore the music of the Sufis. Now, idiomatic expression will go by train. We all take the train. We'll take the train. Now here they are saying we'll go by train, and at the other time they are saying we'll take the train. He must be in the school. Which seasons? In spring, we like to clean the house with institutions. He's in church, college, class. Okay. With meals, breakfast was delicious. He's preparing dinner by myself. With disease, he's dying of pneumonia. Appendicitis nearly killed him. She has cancer. With time of day, we travel mostly by night. We'll be there around midnight. So these are some examples where you don't use any sort of articles. Okay, so that's it, students. That is our topic articles that I have completed with the type of uses for a and the. More you will understand when you will go through the exercises and practice at home. I hope you understand the topic articles, their uses, and as I use the examples, that will be more clear for you now. Before leaving the video, like the video, subscribe the channel and share it also. Till then, take care, have a nice day, thank you.